Hi guys, Anthony here from the Faculty of Apps with another quick tip for your Apple devices. If you're someone who struggles to hear conversations in loud environments, or you want to listen to a conversation that's out of earshot, the Live Listen feature on your iPhone turns your phone into a microphone, amplifying the sound of the conversation directly into your AirPods. What's more, you have additional options that let you isolate the conversation and view a transcript of what is being said. It's important to know that this feature only works with Apple headphones, so either AirPods, Apple Beats, or certified hearing aids that are specifically designed to work with iPhone. To use the Live Listen feature, open the control center on your iPhone by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Tap the plus button in the top left corner, followed by Add a Control. Use the search bar at the top of the widget gallery to search for Live Listen. Then tap to add it to the control center. Now pop your AirPods in your ears. Again, swipe down to open the control center and tap the Live Listen icon to activate the feature. The closer your iPhone is to the person or conversation, the better you'll hear them. Tap the dynamic island at any time to stop listening. Your iPhone's microphone will continue to listen until you disable the feature, even if your phone is locked. You can isolate a conversation by going back into Control Center and tapping on the orange Controls button. The example audio I'm using isn't clear enough to pick up an individual conversation, but it should work just fine for you. Finally, if you long press on the Live Listen button in the Control Center, you'll see a transcript of the conversation, and you can rewind 10 seconds if you missed part of the conversation. The Live Listen feature is designed to work within Bluetooth range, so roughly about 33 feet or 10 meters. So that is the Live Listen feature on iPhone. If you found the video useful, please consider tapping the Super Thanks button below or clicking the link in the description to buy me a coffee. Genuinely, there is nothing more rewarding than receiving your support, so thank you. It really is appreciated. And you should definitely check out this video showing you how to connect 2 pairs of headphones to your iPhone, or how about this video showing you how to maximize the battery life of your iPhone or iPad. Until next time, my name is Anthony. Thank you very much for watching.